हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल सौरभ शेयर्स। आज के इस वीडियो में हम लोग जानने वाले हैं अबाउट द 5 टूल्स और द 5 स्किल सेट्स व्हिच यू शुड बी हैविंग बिफोर जॉइनिंग द एमबीए स्कूल या फिर एमबीए कॉलेज। अ लॉट ऑफ क्राउड इज गोइंग टू कम टू द एमबीए कॉलेज दैट यू आर गोइंग टू टेक एडमिशन इन। तो what is that one thing, what are those few things that will keep you out of that whole crowd? What are those things which will make you stand out of this crowd? You have a couple of months of time before joining the MBA school right now. So it's advisable that you build upon some skill sets, that you get to know some stuffs which will make you stand out of this crowd. तो आज इस वीडियो में हम वही पांच मेजर चीजें डिस्कस करने वाले हैं. So the very first tool in our list would be Canva. Canva is a powerful graphic design platform that allows you to create stunning visuals with ease. From presentations to infographics, Canva offers a wide range of templates and design elements to make your work stand out. So Canva basically offers you a wide range of templates or design templates, video templates, a lot of things which you can use pre-handedly to make your own presentations, to make your own video stuffs and whatnot. The very second tool in our list would be Microsoft PPT. Microsoft PowerPoint is one of the most staple business tool that is used in the industry today, and definitely be it any kind of pitches that you have to give, be it any kind of other deliverables या फिर presentations you have to give, you need to know Microsoft PowerPoint. PowerPoint में बहुत सारे slide animations, बहुत सारे transitions ऐसे होते हैं जो कि आपको बाकी pre-made software जैसे कि Canva वगैरह में ना मिले. तो आज के डेट में भी many professionals they prefer Microsoft PowerPoint over any other tool that is available in the market. But as I said, Canva में क्योंकि pre-handed templates available होते हैं तो इसलिए टाइम बहुत ज्यादा बच जाता है. The third tool in our list would be Microsoft Excel. Excel is a powerhouse of data analysis, financial modeling and business decision making. फाइनेंशियल मॉडलिंग हो गया, डेटा एनालिटिक्स हो गया, बिजनेस एनालिटिक्स हो गया या फिर स्टैटिस्टिकल चीजें हो गई, आपको एक्सेल जानना बहुत जरूरी है. देयर आर मेनी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर्मूलाज इन एक्सेल या फिर मेनी इंपॉर्टेंट कॉन्सेप्ट्स लाइक पिवट टेबल हो गया, मैक्रोज हो गया, पावर क्वेरी हो गया. ये सारी चीजें आपको जानने की जरूरत ना पड़े, बट अगर आपको पता है पहले से, you might have an added advantage in many of your project works, many of the case studies, many of the competitions that you might be applying for. The fourth tool in our list would be communication. So this is basically a skill set. Communication is the backbone of business, and strong communication skills are essentials for success in any field. Communication skill पे work कीजिए, उस पे काम कीजिए. Try to communicate with a lot of people, not just within these 2 months, but once you go into the MBA school as well. Networking बढ़ाइए अपना. Get to know as many people as possible. The fifth and the last tool or the skill set in our list would be time management or prioritizing your tasks. In the fast-paced world of business school, it's essential to manage your time effectively and prioritize your tasks. MBA कॉलेज में आपके बहुत सारे टास्क साइमल्टेनियसली चलने वाले हैं. Be it the placement task, be it the clubs and committees tasks, या फिर academics के काम हो गए, या फिर quizzes, assignments, बहुत सारी चीजें एक साथ आने वाली है. You will be overwhelmed, you will be burdened with a lot of things at one go. So it's quite essential for you to prioritize your tasks, to segregate them into different brackets कि मेरे लिए सबसे ज़्यादा important ये है, मेरे लिए least important ये है, and मैं इन चीज़ों को इस हिसाब से tackle करने वाला हूँ. So it is quite essential, and start developing these skills in these couple of months. And needless to say, जब आप एक बार MBA school में जाओगे, तो over the period of 2 years, over the period of 1 year in the first year itself, you will get to know कि कैसे कैसे किया जाता है चीजों को, all these things कैसे मैनेज होती है. So to summarize all these things up, the 5 tools या skill sets जो हमने डिस्कस किया: Canva, Microsoft PowerPoint, Microsoft Excel, time management and communications. Try to hone these skills over this couple of months that you have before joining the MBA college, before going to the MBA school, so that you get an added advantage, you get an edge over others while starting your course. And if not, do not panic. MBA curriculum में आपको सब कुछ सीखने को मिलेगा धीरे धीरे. Over the period of time, you'll get to learn a lot of things in this journey. And if you're not able to cope up by your own in this time phase, in these couple of months, do not worry, do not panic. बहुत अच्छी crowd आती है, बहुत अच्छे faculties होते हैं, बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिलता है अपने side से. You'll get to learn a lot of things and you'll definitely do well and good. Thank you. Thanks for staying till the end. Thanks and have a nice day.